back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I put my rivets on my keychains. Yes, I've been making keychains lately. I've had a lot of scraps left over from when I was making masks and just various items. So I just want to try to use up some of the scraps to make little key wristlets. So anyway, first thing I'm doing, I'm taking a leather punch. And if you're not familiar with a leather punch, it's what you use to punch holes into leather to add rivets. As you can see, it punched through that fabric. So I love it. I bought mine from Harbor Freight. And so what I'm taking next is just like I'm using a leather working board that I got from Hobby Lobby. And I'm picking out my rivets. I got some double-sided rivets from Hobby Lobby. When I mean double-sided, they're both going to have the curve on each side. So what I'm using is the medium size. So I'm taking the long medium piece and I'm sticking that in first, and then I'm going to get the cap to place on top of that. So just make sure it fits directly on top of that, and you should feel it snap. If you don't feel it snap, that means it's not in there right. And next I'm going to get my rivet press. What this is two metal pieces. It has a flat side and a curved side. I'm going to use the curved side since my rivets are curved. And you just lay the smaller part on the block, and then you take the longer piece and you find the curved side and you just hammer. Hammer until you feel that it's secure in there. Okay, and when you get done, it should be attached. As you can see, it's two-sided. It's in there. It's very sturdy. If you can pull it and it doesn't come apart, then you know that it is secure in there. So yeah, that's simple. That's how I add my rivets. I actually ordered a rivet press. It'll be here in a couple of weeks. So I'm just using the hammer right now, but I'm going to actually have a press and I'm going to be able to press it down. But this is what I'm using now, so I'm just going to show you how I use it. I add my little swivel to the end of the key fob, and that's it. I'm gonna do one more and do it kind of sped up. This is the Dallas Cowboys, and all of these little key wristlets are going to be for sale on my Etsy shop, and the link and all that is going to be in the description. So they're just cute little key fobs. You can add them to purses, you can add them to your keys, you can put them around your wrist. I have various teams right now. I'm going to do a bunch, but I'm going to do all of my teams right now. I'm doing the NFL teams that I have. I have some college teams. I have some baseball teams, as well as some basketball.